Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ordinal Open Finance Protocol token. Big name there, ticker symbol is OOFP. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 3rd. We're going to go over the information on the Ordinal Open Finance Protocol token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So OOFP is a project within the Bitcoin ecosystem that provides value-added services for assets like inscriptions, runes, and NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Now this token just got listed today, January 3rd at 10 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Lbank. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is download Lbank from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search OOFP, and simply just get the token. It is available on there right now. So you can check out their Twitter. I'm going to put it up right here at OOFP_vault. So you'll see there they have 10,000 followers so far on their Twitter. They just joined in December 2023. Brand new project. A lot of followers already. 42 tweets. And it says here that we are thrilled to announce that OOFP has joined the Kucoin burning drop. So this token is most likely available also on Kucoin. So it looks like this token is also available on Kucoin. So you could also do the same thing I just said about Lbank, but with Kucoin. Just download Kucoin, follow the same steps paired with USDT, and then it's and then they have lots of announcements actually if you scroll through their tweets about all sorts of Kucoin stuff. So that's pretty cool there. So check out all that stuff on their Twitter. That's right on the screen right here. Go over to their webpage, and if you go to their webpage, you can also find a full document section, and it says their app will be coming soon. You'll be able to launch the app. So OOFP is a project within the Bitcoin ecosystem that provides value-added services such as inscriptions, runes, and NFTs. It combines a vault pool for mining with strategies like hodling, staking, and DeFi to enhance asset appreciation and growth. OOFP aims to create a vibrant ecosystem where participants can benefit from the increased value of their assets. The project operates on the principle of creating a vibrant ecosystem in which assets within the Bitcoin network can thrive by offering value-added services and opportunities for asset appreciation. OOFP aims to attract and engage participants, contributing to the overall development and success of the Bitcoin ecosystem. So if you want to skip right to their white paper, just go over to ODFI. I don't know why it's OD all of a sudden, but OD. ODFI.getbook.io. So OOFP is an initiative within the Bitcoin ecosystem. The project centers around the concept of the All Protocol Vault, which represents a mining pool that leverages the combined computational power of multiple mining machines to secure the Bitcoin network and facilitate the creation of new blocks. By pooling resources together, participants can enhance the efficiency and profitability of mining activities, contributing to the overall growth and security of the Bitcoin ecosystem. In addition to mining activities, OOFP extends its focus to assets within the Bitcoin ecosystem, including inscriptions, runes, and NFTs. The initiative aims to provide value-added services and opportunities for these assets to appreciate in value. This can involve implementing strategies such as hodling, staking, and yield farming, and other mechanisms that promote asset growth and value appreciation. By leveraging decentralized finance, protocols, and smart contracts, OOFP enables participants to engage in various financial activities such as lending, borrowing, and trading, specifically tailored for the Bitcoin ecosystem assets. These services provide liquidity, facilitate asset utilization, and create opportunities for participants to generate income and increase their value of their assets. OOFP aims to foster a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem where asset holders can benefit from the appreciation and growth of their assets through value-added services. It contributes to the overall development and success of the Bitcoin ecosystem, enhancing the value, proposition, and utility of assets within the network. Now, on their roadmap here, they started with the fair launch. We aim to ensure a fair launch for participants. This approach promotes inclusivity and decentralization within the ecosystem. Additionally, we ensure responsible governance and sustainable growth. We plan to collaborate with well-known projects in the industry after the launch. These strategic partnerships can provide mutual benefits, including shared resources, expertise, and visibility. Such collaborations contribute to the overall development and success of the ecosystem. As our product continues to evolve, we are committed to strengthen our community. We value the input and support of our community members, and we are dedicating to fostering an inclusive and vibrant ecosystem. Together, we will actively engage in discussions, gather feedback, and implement community-driven initiatives to shape the future of our project. We will deploy our first product within 1 month of launch. We commit to delivering tangible value to users promptly. Additionally, we aim to establish collaborations with other protocols, leveraging synergies and expanding its reach within the broader ecosystem. So they have a section on their white paper, their Git book that I just mentioned, that talks about their goals. In a nutshell, they basically want a full protocol. So it says they begin the development in the BRC20 protocol, the Bitcoin Standard Network, but they aim to extend the services to other protocols as well. So they also want a full asset by offering value-added services tailored to each asset type. OOFP aims to enhance their value and growth, etc., etc. And they have links here. So the website's still a work in progress, they say, but you can check it out at oofi.io. You can check out the Twitter, that's right on the screen here, at OOFP_vault. And then, you can check this token out on Lbank and Kucoin and maybe more places as well. So check this token out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.